Artificial intelligence is taking over tech, and it seems your wallet is next. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. Memory prices for PCs have shot through the roof, and SSDs aren't far behind, leaving gamers and casual users alike gritting their teeth at the checkout. In Japan, some retailers already run out of PC memory kits and are slapping strict price limits on what's left. For example, a 2x8GB DDR4 3200 kit went from under $60 in August 2024 to nearly $120 by December 2025. Other kits saw even crazier jumps. Some rose $100 to $200, while the beefy 2x32GB sticks skyrocketed over $500. SSDs are creeping up too, with prices nearly doubling compared to early 2025. Phison CEO, controller specialist, warns that NAND flash chip shortages will keep costs high for years, with demand outstripping supply. So whether you're building a new gaming PC, upgrading your laptop, or just trying to add more storage, be ready to dig a hole in your pockets. The memory market is in chaos, driven by AI-hungry data centers hoarding resources, leaving regular PC users paying the price. And with SSDs set to follow the same trend, it's shaping up to be a rough year for anyone looking to upgrade their gear. For now, if you need RAM or storage, buy sooner rather than later, because prices aren't coming down anytime soon, and your dream PC build might just stay a dream. What do you think about this? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Imagine this, a tiny SSD that's faster than your laptop, tougher than your backpack, and can store everything, all without breaking a sweat. Meet the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD, the storage game changer you didn't know you needed. Stick around to see why this little beast is about to revolutionize how you save, shoot, and share. Hey tech crew, welcome back to GadInsider. Today, we're diving into the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This isn't just another drive, it's a rugged, lightning-fast powerhouse from SanDisk, a name you trust. Whether you're a photographer, a gamer, or just drowning in files, this thing's got your back. Let's unpack why it's turning heads. So, what makes this SSD a total game changer? First up, speed. We're talking up to 1050 MBs read and 1000 MBs write with its USB 3.2 Gen 2 tech. I tested it. A 10GB video file zipped over in under 20 seconds. Compare that to your old hard drive and it's like Usain Bolt racing a snail. Next, it's built like a tank. With an IP65 rating, it laughs off dust and water. I splashed it, dropped it from 3 meters, and it still worked like a champ. Plus, that carabiner loop, clip it to your bag and go. Perfect for adventurers or clumsy folks like me. Capacities range from 500 GB to a massive 8 TB. That's enough for 4K footage, AAA games, or your entire meme collection. And security? It's got 256-bit AES encryption to lock down your data tighter than Fort Knox. Here's the real kicker. This SSD isn't just fast and tough, it's a workflow revolution. Photographers can edit raw files straight off it in the field. Gamers, load times vanish. I shaved 15 seconds off my Call of Duty boot up. And everyday folks, it's like a sleek upgrade from those bulky, slow external drives that sound like a dying lawnmower. SanDisk's been killing it since their 2019 launch, and after some early hiccups, yeah, those firmware fixes in 2023, they've nailed reliability with a 5-year warranty. At $99 for 1 TB and $549 for 8 TB, it's premium but worth every penny. This isn't just storage, it's freedom to create, play, and live without limits. Now, let's dream big. Imagine you've got this SSD in your kit. Where are you taking it? Shooting a vlog in the rain? Backing up your epic gaming rig? Tell me your wildest storage dreams in the comments. Right RAM has to be picked up to reveal complete potential of your computer in terms of improving performance. If you want to upgrade the memory of your computer, selecting the right RAM is an imperative task. What is RAM? RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is a hardware device inside a PC where data is stored temporarily for processing. The more RAMs installed in your PC, the more tasks it can handle simultaneously. However, the right RAM has to be picked up to reveal the complete potential of your computer in terms of improving performance and increasing user experience. But if you're going to upgrade your PC's old RAM with new ones, fret not. Here are some of the important specifications that you can look at while buying one. Important specifications for buying RAM in 2024. These specifications, a few will make the most difference in your system's performance and compatibility. Memory type. The type of RAM you need, such as DDR5 or DDR4. DDR5 is the latest generation and offers faster speeds and lower voltage that will enhance data processing. Memory capacity. The amount of RAM you need, such as 16 GB, 32 GB, or 64 GB. More capacity allows for more applications to run simultaneously and more efficiently. Memory speed. The speed of the RAM is measured in MHz. Faster speeds, such as 5,200 MHz or 5,600 MHz, are one of the most important specifications that will let users know how fast the device can store and process the data. Memory timings. The timings of the RAM, including cast latency CL, ROS to cast delay TRCD, and write recovery time TURR, lower timings offer better performance for the PC to store the data more efficiently. Voltage. What? The voltage required by the RAM, such as 1.1V or 1.2V. Ensure the voltage matches your motherboard's requirements. This will help you avoid damaging your device. How to upgrade RAM on your laptop. RAM plays an important role in your PC or laptop's performance. When it runs out of memory, it begins swapping data to your hard drive, drastically slowing down processes. GadInsider has brought you a step-by-step guide to upgrade your laptop's RAM and how to install it. Noteworthy, the internals of laptops are varied in terms of design. The following steps are general instructions that should apply to most laptops, though the details might vary from laptop to laptop. First, turn off your laptop and ensure that it's unplugged from any power source. Turn your laptop over so you can identify and unscrew any screws that will let you take the base plate off. SODIMM, small outline dual inline memory module memory sticks are often held in clips. Find these and remember to hold RAM by the edges rather than covering the gold connectors. Remove the old RAM from your laptop by releasing the clips holding the RAM in place. Insert the new RAM by holding it by the sides at an angle. The pins should align with those in the slot. Press down firmly on the new RAM until it clicks in place under the clips. Replace the base plate and screw it back on. Turn your laptop on and navigate to Settings, go to System, and click on About. Here you should see the full amount of RAM installed. If it's incorrect, you'll need to repeat the above steps to reseat the RAM. How to check RAM usage. Right-click on the taskbar, then select Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab. You can buy RAM to upgrade your laptop from the manufacturer's website or through online retail stores like Amazon or Flipkart. Samsung begins mass production of SSD for fast-performing PCs. Samsung officially announced the mass production of the fastest solid-state drive for personal computers. The South Korean tech giant has begun preparing for the PCIe 5.0-based product, model name PM9E1, with the industry's greatest performance and potential, claimed Samsung. Samsung also added that the memory stick is made up of a 5nm-based controller and 8th Gen V NAND technology. Its main target is to offer a powerful performance and enhanced power efficiency, making it an optimal solution for on-device AI PCs. The company is diligently working to accomplish. The PM9E1 offers an enhanced 14.5 GB reading speed and 13 GB writing speed with an extensive array of data-driven artificial intelligence apps. Moreover, the PM9E1 will be available in several storage variants such as 512 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB, and 4 TB. SSD security is comprised of significant protocols such as secure channel, device authentication, and firmware tampering attestation. The South Korean tech giant would provide the PCIe 5.0 based solution to PC manufacturers worldwide. Later, it will be available to a wider range of markets, but certainly not before the PM9E1 received a great name like 1090 Pro or any reminiscent one.